The world as we know it is changing. AI is no longer a future technology, it's a present imperative. But most organizations are building on sand. Innovation is outpacing governance at an exponential rate, creating a dangerous gap that leads to massive regulatory penalties and a total loss of trust. The business impact is severe. We're seeing average penalties of $2.3 million per violation. This is now a board-level liability. The global landscape is maturing. The EU AI Act and SEC guidance are mandating transparency and human oversight with teeth. Why does traditional compliance fail? Because it's retrofitted. It creates architectural debt and manual processes that simply cannot scale. Forward-thinking organizations are discovering that robust governance isn't a hurdle. It's a strategic advantage that drives adoption. Our philosophy is simple. Governance must be baked in, not bolted on. It must be architected into your infrastructure from day one. Today, I'm revealing the four-pillar methodology for robust AI governance: gap analysis, CHI-TL, risk mitigation, and scaling. Pillar 1 is the architectural gap analysis. Before you can govern, you must understand exactly what you are governing. We start with a comprehensive assessment of your AI deployment landscape, classifying every system by risk level and mapping data flows. We evaluate your technical infrastructure, from training pipelines to monitoring capabilities, identifying critical gaps in your compliance posture. The foundation is continuous AI infrastructure, automated testing and validation built directly into your CI/CD pipelines. The process is intense. Current state assessment, maturity evaluation, and prioritized gap identification, all delivered within 4 weeks. For one global financial firm, this enabled the immediate remediation of 12 high-risk models lacking required human oversight. Pillar 2 is the implementation of human-in-the-loop frameworks. This transforms abstract regulations into concrete technical reality. Every AI decision must have a clearly identified human decision-maker who is accountable and has access to understandable info. We identify mandatory intervention points, especially for high-stakes decisions affecting individual rights, freedoms, or financial thresholds. We build the infrastructure to support this: review queue management, explainability interfaces, and mandatory override capabilities. But it's not just tech. We prepare your teams for HITL responsibilities through role-based training and accountability frameworks. One healthcare company achieved FDA approval in just 8 months by demonstrating physician oversight through our 3-tier review system. Pillar 3 is risk mitigation and ethical safeguarding. This is how you earn stakeholder trust while meeting every regulation. We implement technical controls that prevent issues before they impact production. This includes bias detection and adversarial robustness testing. Our framework is grounded in core ethical principles: beneficence, autonomy, and justice, integrated from the design phase through to monitoring. This creates organizational resilience. You're not just complying, you're building a system that anticipates future regulatory shifts. Pillar 4 is scaling. The ultimate goal is to make governance second nature, embedding it deeply into your organizational culture. We treat governance as code. Requirements are implemented as automated tests in your CI/CD pipelines for shift-left enforcement. We empower your developers with self-service tools and pre-approved model architectures, reducing bottlenecks and speeding up time to market. Governance becomes visible and actionable through real-time metrics dashboards, tracking compliance violation rates and resolution times. This is a cultural transformation. Through role-based training and incentives, governance becomes part of your organization's DNA. One SaaS platform saw a 12x increase in feature deployment velocity and 0 compliance incidents over 18 months. The consultation process is highly collaborative, moving from discovery and analysis to actionable recommendations in just 5 weeks. In the first month, we conduct stakeholder interviews, technical reviews, and a comprehensive gap analysis across all 4 pillars. By week 5, you receive a detailed findings presentation and a prioritized roadmap tailored to your organizational scale. You receive a full suite of deliverables, gap reports, HITL framework designs, risk mitigation strategies, and a scaling roadmap. Success is measurable. Within 90 days, you'll see remediated gaps and executive visibility. Long-term, you'll see industry leadership. You have a choice. Treat AI governance as a compliance burden or embrace it as a strategic competitive advantage. Those who choose the strategy path deploy AI faster with confidence, build trust as a differentiator, and lead their industries. The urgency is now. The organizations that act today will have a sustainable competitive advantage over those that wait. Let's build AI systems you can trust, and that your customers trust too. Your journey to sovereign integrity starts here. Ready to bridge the innovation oversight gap? Comment Tiger for the blueprint or visit our website to book your consultation today.